Wisconsin healthcare workers are providing critical care to our loved ones while facing burnout, low wages, and staffing shortages. From in-home care workers to hospital staff, Service Employees International Union, or SEIU, represents thousands of those essential workers in Wisconsin. Today, elected officials met with SEIU Wisconsin members to highlight the need to invest in the healthcare workforce.
We need a state budget that ensures care workers don't pay the price.
That's right.
And our fellow Wisconsinites don't lose the care that they depend on.
The group says with federal Medicaid cuts looming, it's more important than ever for Wisconsin to protect and strengthen the Medicaid system.